What is going on, folks? Adam Dufrat here, back in the game again. Today we've got some Monster Clarity 102 Airlinks wireless in-ear headphones. So like a true wireless, as they call it. So there isn't an earbud or a piece on one side connected with a wire around the back to the other one. They're independent, completely separated from each other. So we'll unbox this for you and then we shall see what we think. It's like a cell phone box, pretty fancy. The little manual pack here. Congratulations, you won the prize. With an asterisk and some kind of a disclaimer as to how you may or may not have really won the prize. Okay, we'll check that out later. Little warranty guide. And the actual manual itself. Got some cables or something going on over here. Oh, different size earbud little cup things as well, all over the place here. So you can change the size of the earbud itself for the size of your ears or what's most comfortable for you. So there's, I assume it comes with like a medium on it, because there's a larger and a smaller. So maybe it comes with a bigger or a medium in between those two, something like that. But there's two, obviously one for each side. Ah, look at this, USB Type-C. At least 3.1, I guess. That's pretty legit. So definitely newer age product when you see USB-C. I recently unboxed an Anker sound sync that had Bluetooth 5 capability in it, and it came with a micro USB cable. So anyways, that's nice to see. New style standard. And that's pretty much it with the case here and the actual buds themselves. So it's a charging case itself. So this in itself has a battery that can inductively charge the little fine batteries that are inside here. So you can plug this in, charge these, do your thing for a little while, but you can then, you know, out and about, set these in here and inductively charge for further time before having to plug them in. Oh no, it's not inductive actually, it's directly connected. You can see there's a little dock with two pins, and then here's the little receiving pins here. So it's not inductive, my mistake, it is direct contact. So that just sits in there, and it's got some LED indicators right on the front there. So that's pretty much all I can say about it so far. Most important thing is how it actually sounds quality-wise, as much quality as you're going to get out of Bluetooth streaming. But I'll charge these bad boys up, give them a listen, and then I will return for a little review on them. Okay folks, after many weeks with the Monster Clarity earbuds, I'm going to have to give up on them. I'm going to have to get rid of them. Hoping I got a lemon. Do have quite a few Monster products. All have worked great for me for some many years. These Clarity buds, I've already got rid of them. They're gone. they were initially pretty cool. First few hours-ish of listening, made sure they were fully charged before I even opened them up or messed with them too much. Bass was pretty good. Those little subwoofers it says they've got, or whatever, actually were pretty good. Listening to some bassier music, it was good. Mids were, like, I would say okay, not super warm, but more neutral probably, like more of a flat mid. And the highs were, I don't know if I'd say shrilly, a little bit trebly maybe for listening to more natural speakers normally. But again, these were like low 100 Canadian. I don't know, 80s USD or something. So how much can you expect out of them? For me, I expected that they'd work for more than like a few hours though. What happened was the left one, it would distort a little bit and like volume would be nearly lost. And I wasn't sure because I often would do the one, listen in one, and then when that one died, I'd charge it and switch ears for the rest of the day, that kind of thing. I didn't very often have both in, but I thought maybe my hearing was off, my left ear to my right ear or something, so I took the right one and I'd listen to it in my other ear, and the right one sounded good, and I took the left one while it was having these issues, and it definitely was much quieter, crackly, that kind of thing. And as you put the right one, say, into the case and out of the case, the odd time it sounded like something maybe changed very mildly, but no matter what I did, one, the other, both, the left one after some hours, the second day into listening with them, was pretty much way quieter, distorted, and sounded like garbage, honestly. And the right one still sounded good. So again, hoping I got a lemon. The reviews on them were great. Like, there's a number of people with 4 and 5 star reviews. I don't think many people have had that experience. So I tried a couple things, but there was only so much I could do. I cleaned them out. I blew them out a little bit. I did this, I did that. It would come and go intermittently, but typically the left one was quieter and distorted. I don't really know what it was about it. But I got rid of them. I couldn't handle it. I've got a Bluetooth speaker from Monster, excellent. Bunch of different cables from Monster, excellent. I don't know if it's a different manufacturer in China who made these for Monster with their branding, or if it's the same outfit that makes everything branded as Monster or what. I know it's another company that owns them or whatever. I don't know. So it could be different manufacturers. Maybe I just got a lemon. There's 1,000 out there that are great, and I got one that wasn't so great. So when they were working, they were great for the money, honestly, but they didn't work very long, and I was just getting so annoyed I'd have to max the volume out when the right one was dead just to try to hear what I was listening to with the left one. And I mean, honestly, I just gave up at that point. So I'll be unboxing and reviewing something of a different nature in the wireless earbud world coming up soon for you, because I want some wireless earbuds and now I don't have any. So thanks very much. Take care.